Irish Yogurt's Clonakilty. Try a spoonful of delicious.
I didn't do this the last day, but I'm doing it today.
And you've every right to do it today because this is delicious.
Yeah.
It's fab.
The cauliflower was delicious.
It was.
I have to say, it was nice.
I know. Just when I mentioned cake, it got your kind of...
Yeah.
It got your...
I was sold a pub.
Yeah. Not really. Anyway, OK, we're going to start off our cake with some lovely room temperature butter.
Okay.
And pop it in here into my mixer. It's a new mixer, I see.
Mm-hmm. Especially for you.
Oh, yeah, God. I hope it's been trained in. 250 grams of caster sugar. And I'll just pop that on with the K beaters. This is the K beater here, but it's not actually a K beater, but it is kind of a K beater. And we'll beat those up together. And meanwhile, I'll grate the rind of a lemon. And actually, I just wanted to mention something. You know, in recipes, you see caster sugar, like I've used caster sugar now.
Yeah.
But actually, sugar is so refined now that regular sugar is fine. You know, don't ever think because I don't have sugar, I can't make a recipe. Yeah. I don't have caster sugar. So, and if you see ingredients such as like golden caster sugar, you know, ignore that as well. Just put in regular sugar. It's fine.
Regular sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
Now, okay, so that's
handy, isn't it?
Well, it's great. It's a great one. It doesn't kind of it behaves itself, and it's the main thing. Okay, now in here I'm putting some flour, so regular flour, and I'm putting in a little pinch of bicarbonate of soda. And then I'm pushing in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So I had a little incident earlier.
What happened?
I had my baking powder in a little tub that I normally have my ice and sugar in, and I made a sponge cake for you.
Well, did I taste it over
but
there?
Mainly for Brendan.
What I was like, what?
Well, it's mainly for Brendan, but and you. Well, you get, you know. Anyway, I put baking powder on top.
You're on your own now, Eunice.
So I put baking powder on it instead of...
some icing sugar.
Yeah, I know. I was starting to dust it off.
And you know what? I'll tell you one thing, it was still very nice.
Yeah, no, it was. It was still, well, everything.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
Brendan hasn't spoken all day, but it's fine.
Anyway, so in here I'm going to put in... So I've got I put in flour, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Lemon rind. Rind of 1 lemon.
Yeah, looks
and
good there.
A teaspoon of
juice as well.
Juice, yeah. So I'm just checking there's no...
have you got it here, have you, son?
Yeah, actually I have it there juiced already, but I was going to squeeze that. But, okay, juice. And then I'm going to add in some ground almonds.
Lovely, I love them. I love the taste of them.
Yeah, you love nuts in general, don't you?
Really do.
And then 250 grams of this yogurt, which
It's a high-protein one, Eunice,
It's a high-protein, and actually I'm using the vanilla high-protein yogurt from Irish Yogurts. It's a really nice product.
I always love how silky it is when it comes out.
Yeah, but actually you can sort of... The vanilla is lovely in the cake as well, so I'm not adding vanilla essence or anything because I've got that.
And you can even see the vanilla
You can, oh yeah, there's nothing... Only the best of ingredients go into these yogurts.
So we know that, Eunice.
Yeah.
We know that.
Oh, sorry, I'm just going to give that a little whisk up there. So I'm popping then this into a 23 centimetre tin. So in old money, it's a 9-inch tin.
Yeah, is that one of those bottomless ones that...
It is. It's...
comes up like that. They're fierce handy.
Springform. They're brilliant. You know what drives me mad? Sometimes, and it's actually my own at home, I don't know what they do with the bases of them. Like, I have so many tins with no bases.
The bases don't work as well as they should, is it?
No, they throw them away or something happens.
They throw them away?
Yeah. Or if you give somebody a cake sometimes with in a tin,
they don't bring back the bottom.
No. It's very annoying. No.
No,
anyway.
Anyone out there, yes, Eunice, say it to them now. Bring back the...
I want my bottom back, yeah. And it's the same with the tins, you know, the tart tins.
Yeah.
I've loads of those with no bottoms on my bit.
Oh, God.
No. OK, so in here, I'm going to put my mixture in here.
I always find with those glass bowls, they're like a workout. They're always very heavy.
Yeah, I know they're. It's funny. This particular one actually it's a lovely mixer, I have to say.
Yeah, it's really good.
Because we've had some dodgy ones in the past that have
no dodgy equipment in here anymore.
It's been worked by remote control from elsewhere. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put 200 grams of blueberries on the cake. Now, the thing is, as I cook the cake, the blueberries are going to sink in.
Okay.
So I'm not going to stir them into the cake.
So you don't have to push them down or anything?
No, I don't. I'm going to leave them like this.
Are they going to sink in and then kind of burst?
Yeah, exactly. And I've got about 250 mils here, so I'm going to... So they're going to... So I'm going to pop this into the oven. And then after about 30 minutes, I'm then going to put the almonds on top. Because if I put the almonds on top, now they'll sink to the bottom.
We don't want that.
This is the cake I made
At
earlier.
what temperature will that go in, Eunice?
This went about 180 or
180
so. 180
for how long
yeah.
again?
180, 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Take it out, sprinkle the almonds on top, and then another 10, 15 minutes.
Then 10 or 15
Okay,
minutes.
and then we end up with this lovely cake that I have here.
How long should you leave it cool for, Eunice, before...
I put it on, so it's quite a delicate cake. So I'd take it out of the springform tin, and then I'd leave it cool in the tin, 20 minutes, half an hour.
Cool.
Then I'd transfer it onto a wire rack, maybe.
I love the crusty part
The little
as well.
crust on the outside, yeah.
Now, what are you going to have with this then, Eunice?
Okay, so here I'm going to use you could have whipped cream, but actually I really like this Irish yogurt's creme fraiche.
Creme fraiche, yeah.
And I'm just going to get a little dollop of that at the side.
No, she's here.
Smelled gorgeous cake.
All the hard work.
You
done.
were only asking about how long it would take to cool down because you want to know how quickly you could eat.
Yeah, no, there you go.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
We all know it.
Look
We
at
all
this.
know it.
Now, there you
Oh,
go.
wow.
Now, Anna, would you like a little slice?
Oh, it's just a sliver.
Yeah, no, come on, have that.
Oh, that's a big sliver.
Yeah,
Wouldn't say no to that?
Well,
It's dahi size sliver.
No, look, I'll give you.
don't spare it now.
There's your
That's
phone.
fine. Don't spare it.
Don't spare it. Oh, no slivers.
Look at that. Really lovely.
I think I got
So
a bigger
the
slice.
great
You
thing
did,
about
but,
this is that
And the gift.
You're special.
Yeah, thanks.
this keeps really, really well.
Like say, obviously it won't last around 2 minutes around here.
No, but
How long would it last
in
for?
a tin, it'll last for in a tin, it'll last 3 or 4 days. Like it's really, really moist cake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, often I make it in 9-inch square tin because I find it easier to kind of chop up, and that's why it's great for lunch boxes and things, you know.
That's lovely.
Yeah. But it's a
quite-
real
what did I
dessert
say? There's a
cake,
bit
actually.
of eating in that now.
Yeah. It's all the nuts.
Yeah, it's lovely.
So what do you think? Cauliflower, lemon,
I'd have this
blueberry,
any day of the
any
week.
day.
And just sometimes with cakes, people put oil in there to keep it moist, but this didn't really need it at all. So it
Well, you
didn't.
don't because you've got the yogurt and you've
Yeah.
got the butter, you know, so that's all your kind of fat gone in.
Eunice is beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Dorothy.
Absolutely love you.